Hi everyone, this is Architect Utsav Kamboj and I am here at Dubai Design District because I am attending Dubai Design Week. So this is downtown of Dubai and it is a beautiful place to be in. It's like an entire campus of all things design, fashion design, architecture design, interior design, product design and whatnot. And the first thing that I came across is these beautiful installations that are an expression of sustainability, art, architecture, design, and culture. You have to take a look at this. Plus, just take a look at what the beautiful installation there is with the sound of music. So, Dubai Design District has a lot of installations which are architectural installations, and then there is downtown design. This downtown design, which is purely interior and luxury. It has product design, it has furniture design, it has interior design, architectural solutions. We're gonna look at that at the end of the video, but for now, I have a lot of super cool installations to show you. Come with me. So here we are at one of my favorite places, my favorite installation. This is actually bricks made out of Himalayan salt, and when you look at it in the night, it looks even more gorgeous. All the details are shared here on the display, but I think this is a great expression of what the possibilities of Himalayan salt could be when you're not just looking at it as like a rock piece, but actually as an architectural solution. Can you look at the scale of this space? I think anybody who is working here or who is here would definitely be inspired to do something kick-ass because it's just हवा में ही कुछ बात है यार हवा यहाँ की हवा में ही कुछ बात है that you want to do something. It gives you the kick to do something. And over there we have the famous Burj Khalifa, if you can see, right at the top. So we are here to check out these gorgeous lighting installations. I think this is a great installation for landscape design, for resorts, for villas, for holiday homes, and for public places for that matter. I'm not sure how it will survive in India, but otherwise, I think it's a great solution. Look at this installation made out of wood. This is about a cultural expression, and everything is written in Arabic language. And this has been done by the students of American University of Sharjah. American University of Sharjah. Let me repeat that. American University of Sharjah. If that makes sense to you. And then we have this very cyber city kind of installation here and some goats. So this is basically a self-expression made out of aluminium composite sheets, and it's just okay. Let's cross the road. Come. The young lady is helping us cross the road, and here we are at another Origins Reframed. Innovative materials from raw local resources into functional and exterior materials. So this is desert board, which I have been talking about a lot recently. I think this has a potential to replace plywood in a lot of forms. This has been growing very vastly in Dubai, but I think in India it's going to hit really soon. This is date foam. This is actually made of date seeds, khajur ke seeds. This is datecrete. This is also something which has to do with um, dates, but I don't know how it is made. And then this is Kareem plus Ilyas. It looks very pretty. I don't know what that is, but desert sand through art or design. Every year at Dubai Design Week, they do a million pieces on material explorations that come from actual natural resources that can replace wood, that can replace concrete, that can replace all these materials that actually harm the environment. So here on the green one, we have something. I don't know why I am so obsessed with green for some reason, but okay. 100% recycled plastic panel locally sourced. This is plastic, and as far as I remember, I was here last year. This plastic comes from recycled ship containers or something like that. I made a video on it last year. Dune Crete and Soto Grand Studio. I don't know what that is. Okay, आगे चलते हैं. चलिए. Oh my god, we have a very beautiful Porsche driven by a very beautiful woman, and this is very common to see here in Dubai. Yes, yes, yes. आई थिंक बीच में ना मैं बोल गई और मेरा माइक पास में नहीं था मेरे मुंह के, शायद. आई डोंट नो. Like I said, there are so many studios, offices here working on new innovations, materials, design, furniture, products. Like here, they are doing some experiment with lighting. Yeah, so she's using her hand to do this. You have to check it out.
Happy to see this, but I'm being sad about that.
Like, yes. This, when it's in the middle, everything is playing. So if you raise your hands, everything will be fine. It's so nice.
Right to left, Lisa.
Now, coming to downtown design, which is full of interior design, furniture, lighting, and products, I'm truly amazed by the possibilities of every product and material and how much value we add in people's lives. The artistic approach to lighting and creating ambience, as well as to something as simple as a wall clock, is making way for a new design intervention. Of course, natural stone claddings from Orvi and Vada Design literally have my heart. And there's also a lot of cutesy range in product and furniture design, which is literally beyond my imagination. Well, that is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to check out this video showing on your end screen. And I will see you next week, okay? Bye-bye.